Welcome again. This is Humayun from Taj Education System. Punjab government is going to take initiative to upgrade our curriculum. It's a plausible step to strengthen the prodigy of our country. At least someone realized that it's a redundant type of curriculum that is being taught in our institutions. It's not possible to confront the latest challenges of modern era with such rotten curriculum. An intellectual says, illiterate of 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn. If we will never shift our students from what to learn to how to learn, it would never be possible to bring an atom weight of change in our students. Being a teacher, I would like to add a few more suggestions. I know that these suggestions would be bread of across. The policy makers might not be able to see the wood for a tree, because policy making is one thing, ground reality is quite another. Most of the people who are living in the far-flung and remote areas of Pakistan, they do not want to send their toddlers, they don't want to send their offspring to the schools because they consider it as a futile activity, because they have seen the corollary of those educated people who have gotten better degrees, who have gotten better percentages. But in spite of all these efforts and endeavors of life, they could not make 1 degree shift change in their life. If you want to grab the attention of the masses, then definitely you will have to provide the jobs to the educated community of your country. It will be a great motivation for them that education can change the fate of their families. I would like to share a survey report. This survey is actually a comparison of the curriculums among the developing countries and the third world countries. According to this survey, Pakistan and India are teaching which sort of curriculum in the age of 12 to 14. That curriculum is being taught in the age of 4 to 5 in the developing countries. You can easily construe there is a hell of difference. Another point I would like to make, most of the people, most of the students are interested to establish their career in the other countries of the world. We should appraise, we should appreciate those people, because our diaspora is also our asset. Their remittances have hell of a lot of contribution in our economy. So we should appreciate those sort of people who are interested to adjust in other countries of the world. If you want to turn your brain drain into brain gain, then definitely you will have to work on your economy. If your economy will flourish, if your economy will evolve, if your industry will flourish, if your country will be the prosper country of the world, then definitely you will be able to grab the attention of the diaspora, and definitely they will prefer their own country rather than the other countries of the world. So it was a comprehensive topic. It was not possible to jot down this topic in one video. I will try to discuss further on the same topic in my next video. I would like to request to all those people who are watching this video that subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. In this regard, you will be able to get my latest videos